Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix load Hive cannot load the process cannot access the file because it is being used by other process. Select H key local machine, click File, click Load Hive. Select drop-down list, select your Windows installed drive, in my case C drive. Select Windows, select System 32. Select Config. Select Software, click Open. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.